With today's technology, there's no reason why everyone in an organization, no matter where they're located, can't adopt a common set of concepts, terms, tools, and processes simultaneously. This is not professional development for just the titled leaders. Our culture change process is fully distributed from the CEO to all the frontline staff. What makes this possible is that everyone has a cell phone and a tablet, laptop, and/or desktop computer. Why develop only some people in personal responsibility when everyone benefits from learning how to manage their relationships, including with authority figures, peers, direct reports, customers, vendors, and anyone who comes into contact with your organization? They also learn to manage their personal relationships with friends, romantic partners, kids, and teens, neighbors, really everyone. Why have only some people managing their productivity, engagement, and progress? Why not help everyone be equipped to support one another and experience consistency and mutual support? Our digital platform and portal houses all of our services, our assessments, including our strategic alignment survey, our intrinsic temperament assessments that are based on a color system are also offered at the beginning of every project. Everyone has Train the Trainer online modules that explain the documentation and the various activities within our change process, such as how to do mentoring and how to lead groups and facilitate group review sessions. As you can see in this lineup, these are things that are all completed at the outset of the culture change process. Then each month after, everyone goes through a regular routine of watching one individual online training module, completing a fillable workbook, submitting a post-training survey. Then small groups of 10 or less participants meet in 2-hour group review sessions that are led by one of the people in the group every month on a rotational basis so that everyone leads at least one time over the year. This might look like a CEO leading one month and a receptionist leading the next month. A Lifework systems consultant takes time to prepare each month's group leader in understanding the group module, the leader guide, and then that consultant sits in to support that leader in the 2-hour review sessions. Also, in addition to individual and group training, everyone is paired with someone as a mentoring partner, and they reciprocally mentor each other using a very defined process with templates and with information on the purposes and pitfalls that are possible during mentoring. Again, a Lifework systems consultant sits in on a rotational basis with each of the mentoring pairs while they deliver their mentoring sessions so that each pair is supported in delivering the mentoring as intended. Mentoring is a very important feature because after the year-long process, mentoring is to continue in order to create sustainable change and help one another to continually apply what's been learned. When people are mentoring one another, they use the mentoring form that is built into the portal. As you can see, they can access the template, the mentoring information, their mentees' intrinsic colors, and their full reports on their temperament, and use the mentoring form to capture what was discussed, what was committed to, and how to best support the mentee going forward. At the end of the mentoring session, each mentor submits the form, which then records that the mentoring sessions are taking place. The power of this process is that the system is used by the current staff and also new employees as they are onboarded into the culture process. Over time, you develop internal culture ambassadors who fulfill the roles of oversight and expertise on various tools and processes. In this way, your culture wellness is consistent, scalable, and sustainable.